So one of the things that we've done in addition to joining GitHub is I've added you all to the 538 organization. So most of the projects you make or work with aren't actually going to be projects that you created. They're going to be projects that somebody on the team has created and you're going to be working on it. So let's talk about how we get those. In GitHub Desktop, I've got a sample project already made, so if y'all want to follow along, you can get it too. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this from my computer so that we have it. Got it. Okay. So right now I'm on one of my repos. If you click on the repo, you can see your repos, all that good stuff. If you click on Add, to get a repo out of GitHub, we clone it. That's what that special word clone means. So you're going to click on Clone Repository. And the first thing selected is github.com. There's a couple other options here. GitHub Enterprise is like if you're a company and you have like your own little personal company GitHub. We don't have that. That's not us. We don't pay for GitHub. So you can scroll through and you can find your repos that you have access to. On mine, you'll see like it has my name. Yeah, what's up?
Can I have the /test at the end of the local path or no?
We're not there yet. So we're not even to that part. You're talking about down here? Yeah, we're not there yet. Any other questions? Okay. So if you're looking at this top half, these are all the repos on GitHub that you have permission to get to. First, it'll be yours, then there'll be any organizations you have. I have a lot, so I need to filter mine down. I know it's got the word timed in the name. And I see there's a few things here in 538. The one you want is this one called Timed Demo 538. Right? So this is the one you should be able to find in that list. Once you find it, just click on it so that it's selected. Is anybody not able to find this repo? Yeah, you won't be able to because you're not in the organization. Anybody else not able to find this? Okay. The next thing you're going to do is make sure it's going somewhere you want. Now, on my computer and on probably most of your computers too, you want to see a path that looks something like this, where it goes users, a username, documents, GitHub, and then that same name. Yours says timed though, right? So what you probably want to do is click on actually just delete the word timed.
Mine said test.
Test. Yeah, you want to delete the word test.
And the /, that's before the test.
Yes. And then what does yours say now?
C:/users /username/documents /GitHub /time demo 538.
Okay, perfect. That's exactly what it should say. So does everybody have a screen that looks similar to this now? Okay. All you have to do now is click the clone button, and it will clone that repo for you. So you now have you all have the copy that was in GitHub. So now we're going to open it. What do we use to open it?
WPI
The VS Code WPI lib, right. So if I open up, I'll minimize GitHub Desktop. We'll open this up. Now to open it, this is kind of a sequence that you want to pay attention to because it is possible to open it wrong. And if you open it wrong, you may not know immediately. So here's how we open it. Easiest way is let me click on Open Folder. And you want to go to where on your desktop or where on your computer that was. Now, I remember it was in my documents, it was in GitHub, and it was this timed demo 538. Is everybody able to find it in their Explorer? So there's two ways to open it. Either you can select it here and then click Select Folder, or you can open it, don't select anything, and then click Select Folder. So don't do what I'm about to do. I've got SRC selected. If I click Select Folder here, when it opens up, you can see SRC is on the Explorer, right? That's not the folder I was supposed to open. I was supposed to open timed demo 538. So whatever project you're trying to open should be what you see here at the top of Explorer. And now on yours, you're probably going to get the, hey, do you trust these authors? On this case, this is one you can trust, so you'll click yes. And then it's going to try to do that first time build. So let's let that run and see what happens.